So, how do the poles position in the complex plane connect with BIBO stability? Let's see. I think this one is going to be very easy. We are together on this. 1, 2, 3. Absolute integrability is the main part. So, are we together that any LTI system that we consider admits this transfer function? This might be also irrational, but this one is kind of rational polynomials. And are we together that if we take this object, it means the poles, true? We might not be able to find them by hand, but we can rely on MATLAB or Python to find the crosses. And in a certain sense, we did some exercises such that this stuff here is very likely something that looks like, goes down like this. True? Remember? Perfect. So we are together on those three messages. True? 1, 2, 3. H of S looking like this. BIBO stable? Yes, no, I do not know. Very much no. True? H of S looking like this one. BIBO stable? That one is a sign. True? No, not stable. H of S looking like this. Sorry. This one in the 0. BIBO stable? No. True? This one is our friend looking like this. True? This is not BIBO stable. True? Perfect. If it is not BIBO stable, find me a bounded U such that the Y response, force response, is going to go to plus infinity or minus infinity, plus infinity in this case. Go. If it is not BIBO stable, it means that there must be a bounded input that makes an unbounded output. True? True? Are we together on this? True? Find it. Find my U. U bar. 1. Is the question clear, people? Is the question clear? 1, 2, 3. If the system is not BIBO stable, it means that there must exist a U, at least one U, such that I get an unbounded Y. True? True? Perfect. We have something that looks like this time my h of t. Find a bounded U such that the Y that corresponds is unbounded. Together? This is classical question on the exam. Super classical question on the exam. If you find a system that is not going to be BIBO stable, 99%, I'm going to ask you to find a bounded U that leads to an unbounded Y. Okay? This is not BIBO because it's not absolutely integrable. What would you tell me? What would be a super easy input that makes me see that the bounded input leads to an unbounded Y? A step. Step as an integrator. True. The step works very, very often whenever we have this type of offset or something that goes down like 1 over t. The step is enough because the step gives me the integral at every t. Doing the convolution with a step at time t is going to be the area between 0 and capital T of h of t. True. And this area here, as soon as I go to infinity, that goes to infinity. How much are we together on these people? 1, 2, 3. See? So very often it's going to be either the step or the step that looks like this, so that we highlight kind of the components that are positive or negative. That two are enough. How clear is the last stuff that I did? 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Okay. We will see this better. Ignore this slide. Maybe I should remove it from now because it might confuse you. This part here is okay. The rest we are going to see with linear algebra. We're going to see it better. I think it's too early to discuss all that. To be honest, it's a kind of a follow-up from the course from last year. I was moving things around and I forgot about removing this. We will see this part better later on in the course. So, BIBO stable? Yes, no, do not know. Immediately, yes. This one, BIBO stable? Yes, people. The real part is the important part. Okay? BIBO stable? No. BIBO stable? No. How does this one look like? True? You see it? It's kind of a bit dramatic. This one is a step plus minus an exponential. Okay? Together? Do you see it, people? This one is not BIBO stable. Which input, bounded input, leads to an unbounded output? Step. True? BIBO stable? Definitely not. This one, how does it look like? It's drawn in a bad way, but you got the point. We have the ramp, and then we have an exponential on top. Okay? Actually, depending on the numerator, we might also have something that looks like this. Okay? Depending on whether the mode associated to this one is a plus or minus. Are you following me, people? We are there, true? We are there. Here is a minus, this is a minus, they are not BIBO stable. Okay. I don't know. I think we are there. Are there questions, people? Other questions?